Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Calendar and finding the exact event that created the reminder. Tap Day or List to narrow results. Once you see the entry, tap it to reveal details. You need to confirm whether the alert comes from Calendar or the Reminders app because you will remove the alert differently. If the event repeats, make sure you understand whether you want to change one instance versus the whole series. Once the details load, you're ready for the alert controls. You now tap Edit in the event screen and scroll to Alert or Second Alert. This is where Calendar sets reminders. Change the alert field to None to stop pop-ups and delete any second alert or time-based alerts. If the event repeats, pause and choose whether to apply None to this event or to all events in the series. Make that decision deliberately. Once set, tap Done to save. You've removed the calendar-triggered reminder. Next, check System Notification Settings. Finish by confirming Settings Notifications Calendar reflects your intent. You can disable alerts entirely or tweak banner and lock screen options. If the reminder still shows, open Reminders. Sometimes an attached reminder, not calendar, is firing. Delete or complete it there. If alerts persist, restart your iPhone or toggle calendar notifications off and on to reset the system. If problems continue, sign out of iCloud and back in or update iOS. That usually clears sync.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.